Stop what you're doing for a second, because the next few weeks could completely reshape the creator tech world. Right now, 3 major products are quietly preparing to launch. None of them have been officially announced yet, but the leaks, sightings, and insider details are too strong to ignore. And if even half of this turns out to be true, 2026 could be one of the biggest years ever for content creators. Let's break down the 3 devices everyone is talking about. First up, the leaked drone that was hiding inside software. The upcoming DJI Avata 360 from DJI was discovered in a very unusual way. A developer exploring beta firmware for DJI goggles found a tiny embedded video, just 32 by 32 pixels, showing someone inserting a battery into a drone that hasn't been officially revealed yet. That may sound minor, but it's actually huge. For instructional footage to be included in shipping software, the product has to be far along in development. This isn't a concept or prototype. Real testers are already using it. Leaks suggest this drone could feature dual sensors capable of 8K 360-degree recording, along with a rotating lens system. That means it can switch between full spherical capture and traditional forward-facing FPV shooting. In simple terms, it's like getting a 360 camera drone and a cinematic FPV drone in one device. If the specs hold, this could be one of the most powerful creator drones ever released. Next, a camera that was literally spotted in the wild. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 was filmed inside a DJI retail store in Kuala Lumpur. A customer walked in with what appeared to be a fully finished unit, the staff recorded a short video, and then it disappeared within hours. But not before screenshots spread across the internet. The design looks familiar, keeping the compact gimbal form factor creators love. But the upgrades are what matter. We're expecting additional physical controls for faster adjustments, improved battery life, enhanced low-light performance, and a new intelligent shooting mode that uses AI to optimize images automatically. For vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators, this looks like a practical evolution rather than a flashy redesign, and honestly, that's exactly what most people want. Pricing leaks suggest it could land somewhere between $549 and $699, making it a strong everyday creator tool. And finally, the most mysterious device of the 3. The Insta360 Luna from Insta360 isn't leaking by accident, it's being teased strategically. In multiple clips, the footage quality is shown, but the actual camera body is deliberately blurred. The company wants you to see what it can do, but not what it looks like. That's intentional. What we do know so far: dual lens system, built-in stabilization, possible modular design, up to 4K at high frame rates, and a launch window in the first half of 2026. Early footage shows impressive background separation and cinematic depth, suggesting this could challenge the compact camera category in a big way. This one is the wild card, and potentially the sleeper hit. So what's the bigger picture here? DJI appears to be targeting both ends of the creator market at the same time: high-end cinematic tools with the Avata 360, and everyday portability with the Pocket 4. Meanwhile, Insta360 is building anticipation and curiosity with a completely different strategy. And the timing matters. Products don't show up in retail stores, beta software, and controlled teaser footage unless launch is close. We're not talking months, we're talking weeks. So here's the real question. If you could pick one right now, which one are you most excited about? The cinematic power of the Avata 360? The everyday practicality of the Pocket 4? Or the mystery and potential of the Luna? Let me know your pick, because the next 30 days in creator tech might be the most exciting stretch of the entire year.